mali-maliit ang pera daw.
Ma'am, we don't dignify the testimonies of those fake Marines, or actually bodyguard na lang tawag natin sa kanila. Medyo, nakita mo na nga kahapon, biglang sumali si Senator Escudero sa majority, biglang siya may maleta. Pati si Mary Grace Piatos sa susunod na hearing, baka yan may maleta din. So, let's call a spade a spade. It's all BS. Zero MOE. There's no such thing as zero budget either.
Pero wala rin pong AITS or MAIF, yung Gensan.
Ma'am, that's impossible. Saan mo yan narinig?
Yun po ang sabi ni...
Ipa-verify mo muna dapat.
Yun po ang sabi ni Congregation.
Hindi, sabi. Yan ang sinabi mo. Yan ang narinig mo. Verify mo ba?
Yun po ang...
No. Answer my question. Verify mo ba? Verify mo ba?
District Representative.
Verify mo ba, yes or no? Okay, so
Kaya
next time,
sa
ma'am,
kanya-
i-verify muna natin bago natin itanong para hindi lang kwento.
Siya po ang
Okay?
nag-verify.
Hindi, tinatanong kita. Di ba, as journalists, it's also our responsibility to verify the information that comes to us before we ask those who are being interviewed.
Yes, kaya
Okay,
nga po
so next time,
nagtatanong sa'yo.
yes po ma'am. So next time, let's just verify. Kasi before that, kwento-kwento lang yan. As
Pero
far as I know po,
kwento lang yun.
wala pong zero na ganun. Lalo na sa Gensan, who would be so stupid to do that? I mean, really? Thank you.
Sir, last question. Yung hearing, may schedule na ba yung hearing dun sa investigations at NA?
That's a good question. I'll have to double check. Okay? Thank you, everyone.